Hello everyone, and welcome back to Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note: we'll never ask you for your number or personal information, and we'll certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and spam comments in the comment section. Now, moving on to our topic. 2022 has been a bad year for all bets on resources like cryptocurrency, especially for the alternative currencies like Polygon Matic. When we talk about Polygon Matic, it also reached a record-breaking high value of $2.87 in December 2021 and then started to decline from that point on. It's now trading at $0.7765 as of this writing, which is a significantly favored price for the last 4 months. With the Logomatic and a platform for creativity, Polygon is a digital currency that enables blockchain enterprise to expand and interact. The Ethereum blockchain is used by the Polygon platform, which connects to Ethereum-based projects. Costs for Polygon Matic fluctuate, and investors are seeing a lot of vertical and downward trends. Polygon Matic execution over a lengthy period. It ranks as the 11th largest cryptocurrency in terms of market capitalization. Progressing market trends have had a significant impact on Polygon Matic executions over the long run. Throughout the epidemic, Polygon Matic maintained its stability and consistently closed at or near $0.01. Whatever the case, it took off a fantastic rate shortly after the year's start and continued on the vertical of the entire year. Before the end of the year, it reached its best price of $2.87 in December. It did well in 2021, but a decline in performance in 2022 had a significant negative impact on its costs. Detailed inspection. Painting sentiments on a diagram with a specialized investigation is useful. But recently, a lot of people started interacting with chatbots that have specialized examination concepts built right into them. Below is a computerized report that shows how the market is doing and the possible directions it may go at different points in the future. Although this is a Polygon cost assumption based on technicals, please do your analysis and trade based on your knowledge and skill. Moving regular. Polygon is now trending bullish in the 4-hour window, and the 50 MAMA is currently slanting upward. Additionally, Polygon's 200 MAMA has been trending upward since 10/17/2022. Which indicates that the trend is upward. Given how the 50 and 200 moving midpoints are trending, it appears that the logical Polygon cost projection for the 4-hour time frame is positive on all counts. Record of relative strength. The RSI is now inside the 30/70 unbiased zone, indicating that the cost is moving impartially and that the cost has possibility of maintaining the RSI in that position for a while. The last 15 candles have a bullish uniqueness, which has strong support for a price inversion from the current levels. Polygon Matic value prediction for 2023. You should be aware that Polygon Matic is a 2-layer Ethereum-based token while estimating its expenses. The Ethereum network occasionally experiences congestion, which slows down exchange rates. At this point, a 2-layer setup may be the most crucial consideration. The Ethereum network supports various industries, including NFC. The optimum 2-layer configuration for supporting and enhancing the operation of the Ethereum organization is the Polygon. In light of this, investing in Polygon Matic in 2023 is a wiser move. However, many Polygon Matic owners also pay close attention to the hideouts pre-sale since it appeals to them. Why? Why the hideouts outperforms Polygon Matic with a value expectation of over 200%. Our experts have chosen the hideouts, that is, HDWY, as their next selection after choosing Matic in the pre-sale, which went on to increase 80,000 times to its peak. It is obvious why, given that the hideouts lets customers invest in opulent real estate for as little as $100. The implications of this are enormous. The global worth of real estate industry is $240 trillion, and tokenizing and fractionalizing each property so that a large number of investors may buy into it is incredibly progressive. Even better, the hideouts manages rentals that are frequently short-term and hosts events there. You receive 20% recurring automatic revenue from each of these every year. You're still incredibly in time for the Symbolic Age event on January 1st thanks to the Hideout token's recent presale. They have already had the best cryptocurrency security company, Solid Proof, examine their contract. They will lock their group token for a very long period, and they're locking liquidity for all time. It has a similar setup as Matic. Buy at the proper moment, hold for a few years, and rejoice when the next bull run materializes. All there is to it is that. What do you think about today's video? Make sure to watch more informational videos on our channel. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and come back for more videos like this one.